Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can get the Midjourney bot on Discord. This new bot that creates AI generated images based off the text prompts that you give it. It is pretty cool, and I will be doing various videos on how to use it and everything like that, but this video is just going to be how to add it to your Discord server, and this method will work on the mobile version as well. So you just want to go to Google on your phone or on your PC, and you just want to type discord.gg, and then you want to put a / and you just want to type Midjourney, just like that, and then hit enter. It should take you to the invite page where you can now add this specific bot into your server. Okay, so what you need to do is make sure that you're logged into your Discord account that you want to add it to. First of all, you're going to be joining the Midjourney server, and then I'll show you how to add it to your own server. So I'm going to click on join Midjourney right now, and as you can see, I'm in the Midjourney server. So what I'll do is I'll go to the discussion server, and here on the right hand side you can see there's the bot. So what you can do is you can just click on here where it says Midjourney bot, and then you can click here where it says add to server. From here you just want to select the server that you want to add it to. So you can either create one or add it to an existing server. So I'll select the server that I want to add it to, and then I'll click on continue. And you just want to authorize all these things. It is 100% safe to do so. So I'll click on authorize, and I'll just do this I am human. Okay, so I need to select all the ones with the bicycle, and then I'll click on verify, and now it is authorized. So it now should be in my server, so I can close out that box. I can go into my server where I added it to, and as you can see here in the bot list or the online members, you can see the Midjourney bot in the server. Now if you want a video on how to use the Midjourney bot, I will link it at the end of this video so you can watch that. But that is it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.